So now we're up here and we're kind of finishing up our own categories. So for this one, we are going to be taking a look at the delete, and after that we're going to be doing the update. All right, so if we like in the show categories, we've displayed the IDs of these, but we did not test any of them. So if you look up over here at 2 updates and like 2 deletes from down here, you can see that we're actually getting our own IDs. This is like 1, and this is 2, and those 3 for the update, and this one is 3 for the delete, and this one is 4 for the delete. So everything is working fine. Actually, you will not just see them down there at the bottom of the screen at the left, because the links are just they're too long. All right, so if we look up over here, we've created actually our own delete dash category. So if we look at it, it's completely empty. So now we don't actually need any kind of design for this. The delete category, it doesn't need any kind of form, nothing basically. So if we look up over here, we can pick up our own code at the posts down here. Delete, can copy all of this and we can pick it up down here and we can save it. And of course we need only you can keep this down here and we can comment it for now. The require, we only need like the config, and the config it's gonna take from us 1 step. All right, so it will go back 1 time, it will go outside of this, it will go back another time, we'll go back to the admin at the root of the project, and it's going to snap this config down here. All right, so it's all good. So we need to say if set get delete, and this one's going to be only de, and it's going to snap this with the get. It's going to snap this parameter, and if it got it right, we're gonna put it into an ID, and then we're selecting the data. Actually, we do not need this thing, and we do not need this whole thing either, and we do not need this. So basically, and let's comment this for now. So basically all what we need to do is just grab the ID query down here. All right, and that's for now. Maybe we will change this, who knows. And we'll go delete and the connection down here and prepare, and we're gonna delete from categories, where the ID is equal to the ID handler down here, and we're going to be executing this one as you've seen. And now we can go back to our own we can go back actually to show categories. So we can go admin panel / categories dash admins / show dash categories .php. So it's looking great. All right, maybe we'll leave this, that's fine, but you know, yeah, it looks great. And this is also the DE ID, so we can get everything right. So it's all good. We go ahead, refresh this one, and if we go 6 down here, programming, if we go delete, let's see what we got. we got an error down here, so it's telling us the show dash categories it's not found. So maybe we did some kind of, yeah, we did some kind of error down here. Localhost claim blog admin dash panel categories dash admins. We forgot this, maybe. So it's actually, so it got deleted now. So if we go now, it's got deleted. So if we go back and delete this, you can see that we're going back, write it again. So now the delete is done, and this is it for this one. I hope that you guys liked it. It's that easy to create. So see you on the next one.